Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to stop Jotform spam emails. So, if you are receiving spam emails or spam mails every single day via your Jotforms, we have to do something about it. We have to set a security settings on your Jotforms. Let's get started. It is annoying, it is frustrating if you found out that your form or your Jotform has been blown up with spam submission. This is a huge waste of time. Imagine sifting through form spam. It will be a waste of time. So we have to really create or to put security settings for our Jotform. And there are ways to stop Jotform spam. So technically, these are unwanted messages or unwanted mails that make their way through your website's form or website's Jotform. And I will show you how to do that. Okay, this is our Jotform dashboard. And these are the forms that we have created inside our account. So we are going to edit one form that we will incorporate or we will put some security settings on it. So for example, this is the form, the t-shirt form. Just click the edit form in here. Okay, now you are on the edit mode of Jotform. Click the plus sign button in here. So this is the form that you have, and we are on edit mode, and we are going to edit this form via inserting a Captcha. Okay, this is the Captcha, or this is the Recaptcha V2. But there is an option inside that you can do a Recaptcha. But then you need to use the Google Invisible Recaptcha. This Invisible Recaptcha is the V3 or the Google version 3 Recaptcha. All you have to do is turn that on. So, you will have this notification. This field is hidden on your form. So, it will be user-friendly. It won't interrupt user experience. And it will not annoy your traffic or your visitors. So if you turn that on, you are using the Google Recaptcha version 3 for that. So this is another way. This is one way. Another way is for you to have different questions on your form. So that is not just getting their names, surname, and emails, but you have some questions inside your form. Also, another feature that another security setting that you can add is you can add, so you have two choices for it. You can either use the Recaptcha or the Jotcaptcha. So this is the Jotcaptcha that the Jotform is offering. Okay, another way of putting a security setting is you click on the widget here and then change or add a math question inside. Okay, let's just find it for our wedding widget. So this is a math captcha. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the math challenge that your users are required to answer before they can submit their form. Okay. So there are different ways on how to set up the security settings on your Jotform. And again, I will review it now. Delete it for now so that one by one I can show you that. Okay? There are different ways on how to set up the security settings on your Jotform. One, just click the basic menu in here and then go to Captcha. Okay, this is the Captcha, and you can insert the Captcha in here. Once that it is there are choices that you can do inside, which is you can either use the Recaptcha or the Jotform. Now, inside the Recaptcha, you have an option to use the Google Invisible Recaptcha. This is the new Google Recaptcha version 3. So you can turn that on and use that invisible Recaptcha on your forms. So this is user-friendly. Okay, this is user-friendly. It will not interrupt user experience or your traffic. It will not annoy your users on your form. So you can use that as well if you want. And then they have the Jot Recaptcha, and another option is for you to put the math Captcha. Okay, this is the math Captcha. There you go. Good luck.